Yeah. I'll be down here.
What's up, Devin?
What's up, man?
Hey, Yoka B. Pow!
Good. That hub looks good. No cotter pin, though.
No cotter pin.
You don't need those, dude. You don't need them.
You don't need no stinking cotter pins. This is the most badass 4Runner I ever been in. It's got a lot of creaking. IFS shit. V8, dude. Let's drive straight, the steering wheel crook.
Oh, let's see. Let's get it on the straighter road. Let's get it down the road a little bit.
Hammer down.
Let's see.
I'm gonna be YouTube famous.
I hear you.
How many inches off the ground is this body?
2.5 inches body lift, and then it's got like a 6-inch bracket lift.
So how many inches from the ground?
Oh, I don't know. It's pretty high.
Like what?
I don't really know.
14?
Oh, that's to the center diff. 14.5.
14 and a half to the center diff.
In the front, yeah.
That's a 4th gen V8. Yeah, how are you doing on gas? You're in love?
I've got half a tank.
This thing's a pig on gas, right?
Oh, yeah, that's pretty bad.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. Oh, man, this is cool.
Yeah. I think it's driving pretty straight. What about the
Yeah. Yeah, because we're going to take a left or right, don't matter. Take a right and we're going to, well, go to where the reservoir is.
Where's that? Oh, you talking about the lake?
The dam.
Okay. Alright.
You know what I'm speaking? Take a right up here, I believe. Oh. This thing is a Mad Max bitch.
Alright, here we go.
Is that Borla?
Is that no sway bar? Right
Drifting?
That was pretty good, huh?
Yeah, dude.
It's not bad. It handles pretty good on
Is
street.
it good?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, the steering wheel stays straight,
Yeah.
pretty much.
Yeah, it's straight.
Hit the gas.
Hold on.
Hit the brake. Yeah, you're good.
That's not bad.
Yeah, it's good. That's spot on.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hit
I like
the gas, hit the brake.
Yeah.
You know?
You're right. Yeah. Yeah.
See.
Yeah, I like that. That's right.
This dude drives this automatic like a 5-speed.
Yeah, I always do. Because the gearing ain't the best. You gotta do it yourself.
373.
Yeah. That's 488. You know, you
Blew up 488s. Promos. Blew them up. Rolling with the Lobo 373. Do a brake sound. Do a brake sound.
What?
Do a brake sound.
Oh, like, it won't because it's all-wheel drive.
Oh, all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
What fun is that? See, I like the fucking lever.
Oh, yeah, I know. I do too. You ain't got a lighter, do you, Charlie?
Yeah, I do.
Can I use it?
All right.
Oh, never mind, I
Everybody,
got one, I
have
got
a good
one, I
night.
got one.